Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to perform a complete WSUS cleanup on the database of WSUS, which is susdb, and this is going to help us to get some space issues, to fix some space issues. Also we can perform and delete the supersede and obsolete updates from our database server, and we can reindex the database and all these things that you can see on the screen, which is update, finding the update count of all the obsolete, supersede and live updates, shrinking the database, clean up the superseded obsolete update, and clean up the decline updates. Everything will be done using one single PowerShell command. This command is presented by Microsoft itself, which we can use, and this is something which we can use for WSUS maintenance, and it is one of the best and easiest way to do entire WSUS cleanup using one single PowerShell script, and it's very easy to use. I'll share you how you can perform the step like based on your requirement. Also, there are few steps where it will do each and everything without touching anything on the database. Everything will be done using PowerShell itself. So I'll share this link on my description, and I'll simply copy the script and I'll log into my WSUS server. I will open PowerShell as an administrator. So that's the first step, opening PowerShell as an administrator. I'll just increase the size because it's easy to use, easy to see. I'll paste everything just like it and I'll hit enter. So the moment we have hit enter, now you can see on the screen there are few options that are there. We can perform those steps if we want. It is asking us to make a selection. What do we want to do with our SSDB or WSUS database? Do we want to shrink the files? Do we want to shrink the database size, reindex, and update all the statistics, the counts of our WSUS updates? Do we want to clean up the superseded history? We want to delete obsolete updates. Every single thing that you are able to see, these 12 steps we can perform using one single PowerShell script, and that is the best option, I would say, to perform a cleanup on the WSUS server. So now, just to showcase and as a best practice, what I'll do is I'll select the option which is run all the steps subsequently. So I'll be pressing RA. So what it will do, it will do and it will run all the steps one by one. So let me show you. I'll simply press RA and I'll hit enter. Now before it runs anything, it will ask me what kind of uh, some specific selection related to uh, the days from today and the updates which are released. So this is nothing but like the way we set our supersedence rule in SCCM, we have to give the count. So I want all the updates before, like from today till last 30 days, should only be there on my WSUS. Before 30 days, everything needs to be uh, cleaned up. So I'll simply mention 30 and I'll hit enter. Now you can see immediately it is looking for all the updates that has been removed. You can see what is been happening, each and every steps, which updates are been removed. Those things can be found. You can see it live going on the PowerShell script. It Now one more important thing is these steps may take good amount of time, and it may require few steps to be performed, like we may have to hit, like it is asking us to hit enter. And now we will select the other steps. So this is just a demo. This is how we can execute all the steps as per our requirement. These things can take at least uh, minimum 30 minutes to 4 hours as well, depending if we have like big 800 900 GB of database. So this is the best practice you should follow to perform a WSUS cleanup. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.